Coming in to John. Oh, my phone! Is this the new latest technology? An iPhone?
Yeah.
I never seen this before. No, I didn't steal anything. I bought my iPhone.
Here we go.
Whoa, my iPhone, yes.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Let's see. This looks like a good place to hide from my dad.
Oh, right. This looks like a good place to hide from SuperBaby Color. All right, I can't see him. Yeah, okay. Never look out here. Okay, I don't see him. Let's go back in. Okay, it's a good time to move right now.
Yeah! I'm the king-dominated SuperBaby Color!
And I am the king of something. Oh, well, I just want I'm coming in. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I'm coming in to challenge you. Oh. I'm coming in to challenge you. Oh, my phone! Oh no! I dropped my phone. Oh no! It's cracked. It's not working. Hi. Daddy dropped Daddy's phone. Oh, broken now. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What should I do now, SuperBaby?
Buy a new one or repair that one.
Repair expensive. Yeah, what should I do?
And get a new phone.
Get a new phone?
Yeah.
I should go get a new phone. Yeah, this one.
That's cheap.
Yeah, this one's broken. I love this phone. Oh no! Mommy get mad. Don't tell mommy, okay?
Okay, I'll
promise?
tell her.
You promise, Pinky? Pinky swear? Pinky? No, that's not Pinky. I need Pinky. Come on.
Okay.
Pinky. There we go. Pinky. Ah! Okay, don't tell mom, okay? I broke the phone, okay? Got it? Because she get mad.
I'll tell her.
No, don't tell her. Because she get mad, okay? Okay, how about you wait here with mommy and I'll go to the vending machine and buy a new phone, okay?
What?
Yeah, just wait here. There's a vending machine right down the street. I'll just go get a new phone.
Is it a cheap vending machine? Because I want one.
You want one too? Okay, I'll see if they have one for you, okay? Okay, you wait here, okay, with mommy, okay? Okay, you hold my sword. We come back, we fight again. Here. You want me to hold my axe? My axe. I'm my axe. Okay. Okay, stay here, mommy. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just got to the. All right. Here's the iPhone vending machine. Ooh, they got the new XS iPhone. Cool. That must be the computer right there. So it said money, huh? Let me click something. Hello? Hello? touch the screen. Hello? Hello? Computer? Vending machine computer?
Hello.
Oh, hi. How much is a new iPhone XS?
Put money.
Oh, I gotta put money in first? Okay, hang on. Money. I got. There we go.
$1.
I got $1 here.
Yum, 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 yum. That was a good food, thank you.
Robot. This robot is. And do I push the button now?
I'm SuperBaby's color type brother.
You SuperBaby Color brother? Really?
Yeah.
You're a robot to me. Okay, do I push the button now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I pushed it already. Oh! What? What is that?
My.
What is that? That is not a phone. That is a pager. The NEC pager. That's not the phone. Here, I want iPhone, not a pager. I'll give it back to you. How come your hands out too? You gotta come on now. What? Your hand is fighting with hand. What's going on here?
Thank you.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I'll get the phone.
Okay, push it again. There we go. Oh.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh, yeah. Ding, ding.
Oh, what is that?
There we go.
What? Is this the new latest technology in iPhone?
Yeah.
I never seen this before. What is this the new technology? It's so big though. Is sure this the new iPhone XS?
Yeah.
What's touchscreen at?
Huh?
It was a touchscreen.
Touch it right here.
What? Why doesn't the antenna? And why does it have a button?
So you can call
Call who?
anybody.
I need to call customer service on this vending machine because it's giving me this phone that I don't want. Okay. Here, can I trade for iPhone SX? No, XS?
This one's a cheap, so you get it. You get to keep it.
Oh, I don't want it. Yeah, you can have it back. Let me push it again. Okay.
Calling cops on you.
What? You calling cop on me? Why? What'd I do?
Hello?
What'd I do?
Because you stole our iPhone.
I didn't steal my iPhone. I bought my iPhone. Put money in here.
We might come for you.
No, I didn't steal anything. I bought my iPhone.
Here we go.
Whoa, my iPhone. Yes, yay, my iPhone XS. Yeah, thank you, computer. Thank you. All right. Okay. Okay, can I get a high five, please? High five. Yeah. Okay, good job. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Thank you. SuperBaby, I got my phone.
Daddy, why did you take so long?
Because the computer, the vending machine was giving me this future phone, but I don't want future phone. I want the phone right now.
You lying.
Yeah.
You're lying. Yeah.
Ow! Ow! Oh, you want to play war, huh? You want to play war? Let me put my iPhone away. This time I won't break it. Let me put it right here.
Daddy,
Yeah.
why you took so long? Just because you're playing with it. That's what you do.
Play with who?
The phone. That's what you do.
Oh, yeah. I was testing out my new phone. Yeah, I was testing out, make sure it worked, everything. Can I have my axe back? Ah!
We're not playing the war.
Okay, let's continue playing. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Steady, go.
Ready, get set, go. Oh, what the? Got my sword. I dropped my axe. Get ready.
Okay.
Get ready. You got me. You got me. Good. 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 High five. What is this? Helicopter? What is this? All right. Okay. Okay, what'd you say, SuperBaby Color?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe. Say bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.
Yeah.